Hello, welcome to our class uh, and welcome to our crash course class 1. Today we'll discuss about sets and this lectures is based on uh, previous year questions, which is 2025 and 2026 questions. So let's start our class. First of all, we have to know what is sets. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. The objects in a set are called elements or members. Okay. Here's a set notation. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters, and elements are written in curly braces, and examples. A is a set. So here's the element 1, 2, 3. Okay. Uh, and here's the element symbolism. Is the A element of A. This is the element, and this is the set. Okay, and A is an element of set A. So here is example. 2 is the element of set. Okay, 2 is the element of this set. And as you can see, A is the not element of A. A is a not element, and A is not an element of set A. And 5 is not element of 1, 2, 3, this set. Okay, so important relationship between numbers and sets is a natural numbers. As you can see here, and ZQR is a real number, right? Okay, where this symbol means is a subset of. Okay, this is the subset of. And here's the question. These questions also from previous year and previous exam. So here's the question 1. Which statement is correct? Is a minus 2 element of natural numbers? And here's the pi is the element of q, and 3 by 2 is the element of z, and root 3 is the element of r or real numbers. Okay, so first of all we have to know answer will be the D, but we have to know the other uh, options. Okay, here's the n. Okay, n is the natural numbers, and which is positive integers, and z is the integers only. Okay, integers only, which is positive or negative, and q is the rational numbers that can be written as p by q. Okay, and here it is also q not equal to 0. Okay, and r is the real numbers, or all numbers on the number line including irrationals. Okay, so statement is correct, is a root 3 is the real number, so root 3 is the real numbers because of real numbers has all the numbers. Okay, and here's a z is a 3 divided by 2, so it's not true because of z is the only integer, but 3 by 2 is a fractional number. And as you can see here, pi is the element of q. Q is the rational numbers, which is written as p by q, but pi is possible to write p by q. And also here is the a is a minus 2 element of n natural numbers, but we know natural numbers are only positive numbers, so here's minus 2 is a negative numbers, that's why it's not possible. So answer will be the D. And okay, here's the step by step discussion, as you can see here. Yeah, know the standard number sets and their symbols. Remember that all rational and irrational numbers are real numbers. So remember this one. This one's so too important. Okay,